Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Nurse once again, and I just want to say thank you so much for always subscribing, sharing and commenting on my videos. If you're a new subscriber or just new here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. And like you've seen, today we're going to be making beef curry, and this is everything we need for this recipe. So of course I have my washed beef, I have some spices on the plate, I have turmeric, I have cumin powder, I have black pepper, and I have some cooking oil. You can just use any oil that you have at home that is supposed to be for cooking. And then I have plain yogurt. You can just use curd if you don't have plain or Greek yogurt. Some garlic cloves, I have some ginger, then I have some dark soy sauce, some Royco cubes. These ones are common in my country. Then we have beef masala, we have meat masala, and I have curry powder, and of course some salt to taste. So let's see how to prepare this delicious but very simple to make dish. So we are going to get the Greek yogurt and pour it into the meat. This is going to be the base. It's going to be our base. It's going to be our soup. It's going to be our everything. So you don't need to put too much and you don't need to put too little, because it can also change the taste of the curry. So you're just going to pour in all the spices that we have measured out, half a tablespoon of each, and then we put very little drops of soy sauce because we just want it to accentuate the flavors that we are just adding in and not alter anything. So I'm just going to put in the Royco cubes, some little oil, and then put in half a tablespoon of the beef masala, add in half a tablespoon of each of these masalas. I have curry powder and then the meat masala. These ones are already made. You can just get them in stores if you have them, this particular brand. If you don't have them, then just look for curry powder or make one at home. Mix everything together, and this is perfect if done overnight and stuck in the fridge, and then wake up and just do the cooking. So I'm going to set mine aside for a few minutes, about 30 to 1 hour, because I don't really have that much time. And then meanwhile, I'm just going to be preparing my onions, chopping them into smaller manageable ones, and grating my garlic cloves and the ginger together to make a paste. If you already have the already made paste, well and good. If you don't, just be sure to grate it or just put it in the mortar and pound it until you have a finer texture. So everything is done and time has been passing. We're just going to be cooking now. Just put some cooking oil on the pot, and then I put in some whole cloves and whole black pepper just for flavor, you know. Then put in our garlic and ginger mixture, and once it's all together, we're just going to add in the onions. Now this is a whole bunch of flavor. This right here you're seeing is flavor alone. So our beef is already, of course, out now, and you can see we're just going to put it into our pot, and then make sure it sits properly, and then cover it up until it has released more water and it's a bit loose. So this is a stage I told you about, and I just put some cornstarch into some little water, and then I'm going to put it in and cook for about 30 minutes to 35 minutes until it has all thickened up. So like you can see, we already have our beef curry. We didn't use tomatoes or tomato paste, and it tasted just perfect. I hope someone likes this recipe if they try it out. I hope someone really executes this particular recipe and loves it, or their family loves it. Thank you so much guys for watching, always supporting, subscribing, sharing and commenting. Those nice comments really keep me going. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye.